Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is February 18th. We do have the grain markets giving a little bit of, well, what we've seen recently, this bounce, giving a little bit of it back. Corn down just a half a cent. Beans down about 2 3/4, with wheat down 2 1/2. So we'll keep an eye on that here today. Some of these outside markets that have been a big factor for the grains over the last few days. Crude oil right now is higher. You've got you've got the stock market that's up a little bit, but with the energies, with crude oil, API numbers yesterday that came out actually was a draw of 3.3 million barrels week over week. So we'll see what comes out today. EIA numbers are going to be out. They're expecting about a 3.5 million barrel build. So we'll see. Quite different from what the API numbers were yesterday. So look for that. That comes out at 10 o'clock this morning as far as that information. But looking at, as I mentioned, this bounce that we've seen for the grains, we're still in a sideways range right now. We're not going anywhere either direction too quickly, but here we are still in a sideways range. Look for that. We may end up still seeing pullbacks. As we're talking with producers out there, a lot of guys talking about looking for a bounce in order to sell some cash. A lot of cash still sitting on the farm versus sitting with commercials. So we may see some further sales here, which could cap any stronger bounce here from these levels. One thing tomorrow, we've got March options going off the board tomorrow. And so we tend to gravitate toward those round numbers. And so we'll see as we get closer to that. But expiration for March options tomorrow. We also had 106,000 corn released this morning from USDA, 106,000 corn to Costa Rica. That may end up trying to support things right off the bat this morning. Cattle taking a step back, down right now about 40 cents. That is pulling back here this morning. Box beef coming in a little lower. Choice down 14, select down 144. But technically in cattle, yesterday we went up and filled the gap for cattle. That second gap that was in the chart, and then we ended up breaking back and giving back some of the gains. And so now we're seeing some follow through to the downside. So cattle may have just been a little bit overdone here at these levels. Looking at the hogs, down about 7 cents, still very quiet here today, but strong close yesterday above resistance. And so technically, if we do get another strong close today, that's another breakout for hogs and may end up still friendly here at this time. As I mentioned, stock market a little higher, up about 58 right now. Crude up $1, and we've got the dollar itself up about 18 cents. Give us a call if you have any questions. We're here to help you out. 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. You guys have a great day. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take care.